What if the future of fashion isn't in a synthetic lab, but right here, in nature? Imagine a wardrobe that's not just stylish, but 100% born from the earth. Welcome. Today we're exploring the beautiful world of fashion, made entirely from natural resources, and why it's a game changer for our planet and our style. Let's meet the all-stars of natural fashion. First, we have the classics we know and love, like cotton and linen, breathable, biodegradable, and timeless. Then, there are the eco-powerhouses. Hemp grows like a weed with very little water. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. And innovative fabrics like lyocell, made from wood pulp, are produced in a closed-loop system that recycles almost all its water and chemicals. This isn't just clothing, it's smart, sustainable engineering. So why does choosing natural matter? The impact is huge. For the planet, when a natural garment ends its life, it composts and returns to the earth, unlike plastic-based synthetics that clog landfills for centuries. For you, these fabrics are often more breathable, hypoallergenic, and kinder to your skin. For people, investing in natural materials often supports traditional farming and weaving communities, helping to preserve cultural crafts and provide fair wages. It's a win-win-win. Ready to weave this into your own style? It's easier than you think. First, become a label detective. Look for 100% organic cotton, linen, hemp, or Tencel, TM. Second, care for your clothes mindfully. Washing in cool water and air drying makes them last longer. And finally, remember that the most sustainable garment is the one that already exists. Thrifting is a fantastic way to find natural fiber treasures. Every time you choose a garment made from nature, you're casting a vote for a cleaner planet and a more ethical industry. It's fashion that feels as good as it looks. So, let's weave a better future, one natural thread at a time. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. What's your favorite natural fabric? Let me know in the comments below.